want to stay on the brakes until our speed comes down to where we want. So here, just don't rush this. You want to ease that steering and then keep the steering coming. All right, you felt that?
Yeah.
That was oversteer.
Yeah.
So the rear end came out underpowered just because we're right at the limit. So with this one, like 70 miles an hour, maintain this speed and drive me all the way into that cone. So we wanted to be about 6 feet closer to that side. Okay, don't rush this turn. Easy, but keep the steering input coming a little more until you get up to it. So there we could use another 6 feet tighter. Alright, good. So on this one, it's like between 55 and 60, and then we hold it there. We don't want to feel the rear movement there.
Yeah.
So we got in a little too fast and had to lift. That's what caused that movement. We want to roll in at the speed that we can maintain that. Alright, so tight on the right. Now that becomes your straight braking cone. As soon as you can aim for it, you aim for it, like the guy who skidded off. That's where we're going to brake and throw our downshift. Alright, so this is where we were coasting and we wanted that clutch out immediately.
Clutch out, what do you mean?
Yeah, so you held the clutch down after that third gear downshift.
Yeah.
We don't ever, alright, so we're on the wrong side of the track. But no, for now we'll stay out here. Alright, at this one, just breathe off on the throttle and drive me all the way in there. Good, and when you see you got it made, then, alright, and the white line there is the one we don't ever want to cross.
Oh, did I cross that?
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright.
And then here, you're wide open throttle as soon as you can get on the throttle. Alright, so what we're going to do, right there's a cone buried, but at that front concrete, we're going to move across, tight on the right, move all the way in. Good. Now let off, now brake. Good. Now that's the line, and keep that brake coming till you're through with the brakes, and make your, once you get to that cone, then you're done with the brakes for the whole turn.
You brake till that cone?
You want to brake. You want to get all your braking done until you reach your target speed, where you know you're not going to blow the turn. So the important part on that one is get those brakes down, get that speed down, and then once we're done with the brakes, we're done with it. So here we still need to go closer to the right side of the track. Now brake while you're in a straight line. If you want to downshift, right, that'd be the time to get the clutch out. Though now, there you go. And then keep the steering. Alright, that was your fastest lap time through there yet. Just got everything bolted together. Good downshift, your braking was done properly. Now here, this is too fast because you're going to want to stay tight on there. We start pushing away from the track. And don't worry about that cone. The most important thing is the minimum radius all the way around the inside there. Good. Okay, aim for it, brake and downshift all in a straight line. Good. Now keep the steering input coming until you get all the way into that. Then, the sooner you get all the way into that, the more throttle you can use and the more room you've got to accelerate. Now stay on the left so you see your apex cone. It's there. After that, you can drift out to the right, set up for this turn. No braking after that cone. It's just to turn in and make it work. And that's really fast, but the car loves that. Alright, you cross the white line again. It's okay. Full throttle. Good. Alright, see that cone up there, right? Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from here after that. Now, pull me in tight over there. Now brake. Good. And we're not, the brakes aren't upset on it. Now, once we're off the brakes, there you go. We don't want to go back to the brakes now. Good. Now the turn is finished. Now we're setting up for the next one. A little bit of brake, and that brake would have been perfect if it had just been an easy squeeze. Good. So you're missing about 5 or 6 feet over there every time, and we want to use that. This is good. Now easy on the steering input, and then keep the steering input coming. This is perfect. Just keep that steering input coming. Unwind and accelerate. I love that. It's a bitch, huh? A lot of shit going on.
Yeah, I like to try to learn at the same time. How's that?
That was good. There were 2 steering inputs where there could have been 1, but that is a micro criticism. Good. Wait for your cone, aim for it, brakes and downshift. Clutch out. Good. All right. Now, so that was almost perfect. If you'd have been 3 feet over, it would have been perfect. So that's what I was talking about, holding the clutch in. We don't want to do that.
Okay.
For the same reason when the clutch came out, you felt that wiggle?
Yeah.
That's the reason.
White line.
There you go. now you got your cone made, your brakes are off. Alright, now you felt that rear slip angle?
Yeah, but I felt
Alright, and that
control.
Right, and that was the result of the power being down enough to get a little rear turn. Good. Much better. That's the whole track there. See how much friendlier it looks over the nose when you get all the way in tight?
Yep.
That's the way to do it. Try a lift right here. Watch what happens. Okay, well that was the opposite of a lift. You got some oversteer, but you got it because you put the power down. That's drifter style. The only thing I can tell you is you're shedding rear tire at about twice the rate when you have them rolling through there.
Yeah, the ABS is on here, the traction control slowly down there.
So you got a flash from it?
I felt it going.
Okay. And that'll be because we had so much oversteer all the way through it. And that little bit of oversteer right there came as a result of that braking, but you drove right through it, so I'm good with that. Good, and there the brakes are on. So you got a good balance there. That's a classic. What you're showing me there is called trail braking. You're knowing that under those brakes you've got the rear end a little loose, the same as you do right there on the throttle. The important thing for you to know is that you must be ready to make a big enough correction if that changes, because at that point the tiniest little bit of gravel on the track can make this thing go completely sideways. We are that close to the limit. Try off the throttle, lift off. When you get loaded up that big next time, what I want you to do is like snap off that throttle.
Okay, snap off the throttle.
Yeah, we're going to try, just so that you know what will happen when you do snap off the throttle, because that rear is going to move like crazy. I'll try to talk you into it through turn 10. So when we get around here, aim your phone, brake in a straight line, fire your downshift. A little slower, good. Okay, well, I can't. They call that, the drifters call that a clutch kick.
Oh.
And it's not a good thing, but it's how they start their drifts. It's tough on the tires, so break it down just a little. Good, now off the brakes and turn it. Okay, so when you feel that much drift going through there, that extra few miles an hour might have required a little more track than we had. So that's what we're looking to set up right there. Scenario where we've got time to set our speed and then bend it in.
What did I do wrong there?
I mean, literally, it's all about the rotation at the top. You've been adding, before this, you've been adding enough power to have the rear end move out. That time you just didn't add the power. I don't know which one's quicker, because usually when you're drifting, you're losing time.
Still light on that again.
But at least you're teaching yourself now. Alright, try a lift here. Alright, so that wasn't bad. You got a tiny little bit of movement, but you already had the power down, so we already had a little oversteer from the power. This car is just so freaking perfect and so neutral that right on the limit, it wants to default to a nice, easily controlled four-wheel grip, and that makes it tough for me to tell you what to do next. Alright, so now we've gotten these tires hot enough. This next lap, I want you to slow it down, cool the tires down. You can feel the difference in your grip back there?
No, but I believe you.
Okay. We'll slow it down to the point where we don't have to brake through these. Let's let give the brakes and the tires, and that's good. Just so like this is perfect speed to go through this one, so we don't need any brakes at all, and we won't get any slide. That'll let the tires cool and the brakes cool. So here, just come off the gas, take it down to maybe 45 or something like that. So that'll be our object is, yeah. all the way back to the paddock. We'll let the brakes and tires cool back down, a classic cool down lap. And then when we get in there, we're going to feel everybody's tires. I'll test everybody's brakes and see where it's going. That was running very, very near the limit.
When do I start braking here?
Like as soon as you get, so I can diagram that for you, but what we're trying to do right there is overturn coming into it so that we have to straighten out. And when we straighten back out, that creates a no G, lateral G load, straight braking zone, and that's when the brakes come on. And then we still have them on as we start our turn, but we're bleeding the brakes down to our target speed, and then we're done with the brakes forever. I mean, here we can brake to the speed we want, but we don't dare want to touch the brakes anywhere in here. Here it's all about nice straight zone, brake all you want. The beauty of this chassis and this motor is that this is what it's built for, this is what it loves, and it's giving you a lot of latitude. It's showing you a lot of grip, even though we got a big swing angle going. It just stops like crazy. The braking is safe. Alright, so we'll go ahead and turn it in on this one. Straight up in, we'll go all the way to the paddock. We're going to parallel the grade when we get up there. Kind of park, yeah, right alongside the Audi.